Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Intelligynce Shopify Analyzer, my store research experience. Intelligynce Shopify Analyzer is a tool designed to help entrepreneurs and online business enthusiasts research and analyze Shopify stores. It aims to provide insights into successful stores, allowing users to uncover winning products, marketing strategies, and overall store performance. Key features likely include product analysis, sales estimations, traffic analysis, and competitor research. Their website provides details on pricing and different subscription plans. Intelligynce promotes the analyzer as a way to quickly gain competitive intelligence, potentially saving users hours of manual research. They emphasize the depth of data they offer, compared to free alternatives, suggesting it provides a more comprehensive understanding of the Shopify landscape. Availability appears to be worldwide as long as you have an internet connection. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Intelligynce Shopify Analyzer. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I signed up for a trial on their website and was quickly able to access the dashboard. The interface was a little cluttered at first, but after exploring the different menus and options, I got the hang of it. I started by searching for a specific niche, phone accessories, and was impressed by the number of stores it identified. I could then dive deeper into individual stores, checking their estimated daily revenue, best-selling products, and even their Facebook ad campaigns. I particularly liked the Product Finder feature, which helped me identify trending products within that niche. The data seemed reliable and consistent with other market research tools I've used. Performance-wise, the tool was generally responsive, although some reports took a little while to generate, especially when analyzing large datasets. I had a quick question about exporting data, and their support responded within a day via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by the depth of information available for each store, especially the ad intelligence. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to quickly identify winning products and analyze their marketing strategies. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would be convenient for on-the-go research. Also, the sheer amount of data can be a bit overwhelming initially. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced filtering and sorting options. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Intelligynce Shopify Analyzer. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and provided valuable insights for my e-commerce research. That's my overview of Intelligynce Shopify Analyzer, my store research experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.